Alright, I'm going to show you how to clean your throttle body on a turbo diesel Chevy Cruze 2.0 liter. So where's it located? Come right up to the front of the engine here, and the throttle body is right under here. And to get to it, pull off the top cover. And right here, this pipe comes right into it, and it's this metal piece right here. Remove the pipe. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and back here 4. Then you'll clean the inside of it where there's a flap, and then put it back together. All right, take this thing off. There's a little clip in here. You just got to lift up on this thing. There we go. Take this thing off. And this thing will come right off like this. There's a bolt. I don't know if you can see this. There's a bolt right over here on this side that I took off first. Which kind of hooks onto this whole bracket. And that makes it to where when you take this piece and slide it off, it actually can come all the way off, and it can come out of the way quite a bit. And next, we're going to come in here, and there's 4 10mm bolts holding this throttle body on. You can see 1. There's 1 underneath here, 2. Down to the bottom, 3. And then on the back side down underneath here is 4. Take off those 4, take this out, and then you can take this piece and clean it. You can also clean the inside of the intake manifold as much as you can reach in there. We'll do that next. Alright, here's what the inside of the throttle body looks like. You can see how much caked on stuff there is. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. And on the back side of the plate, look at this. Look how thick this is. Holy cow, that's totally gumming things up inside the engine. Nail-on brush here. See if we can get some of this cleaned up a little bit more. All right, we're going to install this throttle body. First thing we want to do is we're going to want to take this plug and plug the plug back in. Right here it is. All right, here and here. Just gonna go and click this back into place and slide that back in. Now it's clipped on. I'm gonna twist this thing around, and it's gonna fit on right here, like so. We're gonna go ahead and take these bolts down here at the bottom. Now we're just gonna tighten these down. Last step is to rehook up this. There's this little metal clip. It just goes right down in here and secures this and attaches it to it. But I'm going to turn the video off because this one takes 2 or 3 hands to get this thing put in.